I can tell you about this incident. Is just before midnight, about 11:50, officers received a call of a shooting here at the intersection of Washington and Long Beach Boulevard on the train platform behind me, where they discovered a male down who suffered from gunshot wounds. I can tell you that the victim has been described as a male Hispanic in his 30s, and that the paramedics at scene pronounced him dead here on the platform. So we're looking into this incident. We are looking at video evidence, and we have talked to a couple witnesses. This investigation is still ongoing. Obviously, if anyone had seen anything that happened here up to or during this incident, during the shooting, we're asking them to call our detectives.
And result is the blue line shut down. Tell us about the
blue line will be shut down while this investigation is ongoing. We anticipate it being shut down for my guess at this point, estimated probably another couple of hours, which will impact commuter travel minimally, as there's not as many trains running at night as there is during the day. So we are going to work at this scene and review that video and talk to other people. But we anticipate the next couple hours that the line be down.
He seems to be a commuter. You have no suspect details yet?
At this point, we have no suspect description that I can put out without doing a thorough review of that video to see exactly what happened before, during, and after this incident.
Right. Okay. Hey, we go back.
And once you service Washington Station, you authorize to change your channels and contact patrol will authorize.
Leave you to your craft. Have a good day. Be safe.
Sorry
Sorry about that, sir.
Ready.